Hi guys, welcome to digitalsenses.com. Neeraj this side, and in today's session we will have a look how do we embed our presentation or Excel file into web page or our blog. Now the task is very easy and it's like a child play to embed the particular presentation into your web file. Now in order to do so, first you need to create a presentation with your any version of PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, and here I have created the presentation. Now this particular presentation needs to be updated onto your SkyDrive account. Now SkyDrive can be operated in two ways. First is like either you create a SkyDrive account and maintain it online, or you can download this SkyDrive application onto your PC so that it remains in sync with your SkyDrive account, and all the files will be downloaded onto your local system also. Now here the task becomes very easy as the storing, saving, editing and uploading of your particular files becomes very easy. So that's why I've maintained particular SkyDrive account and I've downloaded the application also. Now this is not a necessary task, you can maintain it online also. For that you need to log into your SkyDrive account using your credentials and then go to upload your particular presentation. Now once it is uploaded, it appears onto your dashboard, and once it is done, click on the particular power presentation file to open it up into the browser itself. Now once it gets loaded, it will open into PowerPoint Web Apps, which is powered by Office 365, and here you can further edit the particular document, or you can go ahead with the embedding of this document. Now if you want to edit it further, you can click here edit presentation, and then it will open into a full-fledged PowerPoint application where you can edit and save it further. Once it's done, you can go to file and then click on share. Here you will find an option to embed presentation into your blog or a website. Once you click on it, you will get an option for the embedded code, and here the dimensions will also be present, so you need to verify which dimension will suit your blog or a website. Once you click select the dimension, you will get the revised code over here. Now you need to copy this code, and once the code is copied, you need to paste it into your web page or blog. You need to go into HTML or text mode, where you need to paste this particular code for the presentation to appear as an embedded presentation onto your blog or a website. So wasn't it very easy? Do let me know via the comments at the bottom of this post, and thank you for your time.